Hi there folks, Elaine here with WTI. I am in love with my new cordless glue gun by gogonova. First of all, there are 25 sticks that come with this, and they're long and you won't run out anytime soon. It heats up super fast, 15 seconds, and you're ready for your craft project. It has a really nice fine tip, so when you want to do very intricate things and you want to have a precise amount of glue, you're going to love using this glue gun. I am in love with it. I do a little bit of craft projects and I'm having things to give away like I love. I love to bling out little things, my magnets on my wall. It is a game changer, this glue gun. I just love being able to use it on all my craft projects. It's so light, it's easy to take with you. The grips on this handle are easy, and my favorite is that it's so clean. It's because this tip is so easy to get the glue off, not like any of the ones that I've had before. So make sure you have this amazing cordless glue gun in your bag to do your crafting. You will love it. I highly recommend it, and that's just my point of view.